I'm over here drinking coffee while I'm about to talk about a sleep product. What's going on, you guys? It's George. Welcome back to my channel. Or welcome to my channel. Today I'm talking about a wellness product that naturally promotes sleep. These are the sleep gummies by 𝗵𝘁 and 𝗏𝗏. This is the first unisex product that I've ever tried by 𝗵𝘁, and I cannot wait to share my experience with you guys. Sleep benefits everything, from your mood, to your skin, to your energy, to everything, literally everything. So to have a good night's sleep is a necessity, guys. And that's exactly why I wanted to dedicate a video to this product right here. Now, I was actually lucky enough to get this included in my LUXEE wellness subscription box. This is actually a subscription service that is beautiful, guys. It has wellness, skincare, grooming products in here included for men and women. If women want to try it, they can. I did a full review on this, not sponsored, but if you guys want to check it out, link is in the description. 𝗵𝘁 Sleep Gummy is not the only 𝗵𝘁 product that I've ever tried. I've actually been using their hair kit for years. I will link those videos down below if you want to check those out. I'm not sponsored in any way or an affiliate of 𝗵𝘁, although I should be. I am not, but I do have an opinion and I want to share my experience with you guys brutally, because a lot of these type of products are very detrimental. We want to get good sleep, we want to have good hair, we want to have great wellness and just take care of ourselves. So 𝗵𝘁 is a brand that really dedicates a way to just do self-maintenance and self-care. Today's video is going to be a simple one. I'm just basically going to share my experience using the 𝗵𝘁 Sleep Gummies. So if you're interested in my review, then keep on watching. When I tell you guys I've tried plenty of sleep products, I'm not joking. I'm not joking.
I'm not joking.
Seriously, I have an issue when it comes to falling asleep and staying asleep. I'm a light sleeper, and I also am kind of borderline like insomniac, or is it insomnia? I don't know, whatever that condition is. I never got it checked out, but honestly I probably should, because it takes me a lot to fall asleep. When I was little, my mom used to call me a night owl because I would be up all hours of the night, and for some reason I was able to wake up still early and like fresh and just like collected. Not anymore. Since I'm an adult, that type of lifestyle does not exist anymore. So stuff like this most definitely comes in handy. Now, we want to make sure that what we're having to make ourselves go to sleep is healthy, because there are stuff on the market that could be addictive and also not the best for your insides. So today's video, I'm not really going to dive into so much of the ingredients, but what I am going to tell you is the ingredients are clean, they're beneficial. There's chamomile in here, there's also extracts of tea products, and of course melatonin, which is a natural product that our body produces itself. And sometimes we need a little bit of kick. We need to actually encourage that melatonin to kick in and do its magic. Now that we know these gummies are to put you to sleep, let me just read you the description from 𝗵𝘁 describing the product. It says here on the bottle, good sleep starts with a teeny tiny teddy bear. And guys, the teddy bear is actually very tiny. Let me tell you, it is muy pequeño. And it's grape, I think that's the flavor, or it's berry. It is palm berry flavor. I don't know what a palm berry is, but whatever it is, I enjoy it. I'm not going to take this right now, guys, because honestly, this really does chill me out and put me at ease and at rest. And I'm making a video, so I cannot do that. But the gummy is very tiny, it's purple, it is cute, and it's just like the vitamins you take or the supplements from 𝗵𝘁. There's no difference, except for the flavor. It does taste different. Also, it says, this evening gummy helps naturally promote sleep with melatonin, chamomile extract, and L-theanine, which means snacking before bedtime is a good idea after all. Snacking before bedtime, I'm guilty. That is something that I really have an issue with. But these are actually only 20 calories, so it doesn't really break the diet bank, does it? No, it does not. So that's always great. And they're gluten-free, no artificial flavors or colors. And basically it says, take 2 gummies 30 minutes before bedtime. 2 gummies. Now, I'm gonna be completely honest with you. I have only been taking 1 gummy, like an hour, 30 minutes before I go to bed. And usually 1 gummy does it for me. I have actually only done 2 gummies one time and it like knocked me out. Yeah, so that was my experience. So 1 gummy is what I would personally recommend unless you're really needing a good amount of sleep. Then like 2 gummies. Since I have the bottle in my hand, might as well talk about the packaging. 𝗵𝘁 never disappoints when it comes to their packaging. It's minimal, it's attractive, it's appealing, it's aesthetic, it's very 𝗵𝘁. And it's unisex. We got that color purple going on. It's like a mix between plum, lavender. I appreciate that, it's cute. But also for some reason, this bottle is like very soft, and that helps benefit, you know, when you're gonna take this. It's just soothing. You just open that up really quick and you plop a gummy in. And now I'm gonna talk about how this makes me feel. Let me tell you guys, once you put one of these gummies in, I give it maybe like 30 minutes to an hour, and then you're just feeling comfortable. It's like a very cozy feeling. You're ready for bed. You just slowly drift to sleep. It's not like something that hits you, you know, like a bus. It really just is a slow and graceful way to just fall asleep. I don't know how else to describe it, but it's nice. It is not overwhelming, and I don't ever wake up feeling like groggy or, you know, that feeling when you have a sleeping product, or maybe you don't know, but there are products on the market where if you take and you don't have a certain amount of sleep, you tend to like wake up feeling really miserable. And I never got that after having these. Even when I did take 2 gummies and I had at least 6 hours of sleep, I felt great waking up. It does say it makes you feel refreshed when you wake up, and I'm not gonna lie, it kind of does. That's pretty much how these gummies made me feel, guys. There's not much more to it. It's a sleep aid, it's a wellness product. Sleep is highly important. This bottle actually goes for only $19, which in my opinion is pretty great if you're only taking 1 gummy a night, because this is a 60 gummy supply. So pretty much if you're taking like 2 gummies a day, that's like only a month supply for $20. It's not horrible, but it could be a little pricey, especially if, you know, you're like me where you take a sleep aid pretty much every day. So that's something to think about. On 𝗲𝗏𝗁.com, it actually says take up to 3 a night to help support sleep and wake up refreshed. Now, this video is solely my opinion. This is gonna affect us individually differently because, guys, I mean, our body doesn't accept things all the same. So this is just completely my opinion how this product worked for me. And that's pretty much it, guys. I don't want to draw this video out and make this like a complex and scientific type of review and just drawn out. I wanted to simplify the Hims and Hers sleep gummies, because what are these? To make you sleep. That's what they do. That is simply it. Do they work? Do they not work? Honestly, for me, I had a great experience. This has been nothing but a pleasure, and I will most definitely be repurchasing these. Hopefully today's video was beneficial. Maybe you found this to be entertaining. Maybe you want to try this product. Maybe you didn't know it existed. Maybe you really need help in the sleep department. And if you do, I'd recommend checking this out, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already, please subscribe to my channel. That'd be much appreciated, goes a long way. Share this video and share the love. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. That is very important because I upload videos multiple times a week. When you hit that button, that means you'll be notified every time I make a video. Also, my Instagram is right here if you want to follow me in there as well. But until next time, say thanks, give compliments, and think positive. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.